In this video, you will learn how to set up guest Wi-Fi access to a FortiAP in tunnel mode. You will set up a temporary guest Wi-Fi user account that expires in 5 minutes and then create an optional admin account to manage guest accounts. First, go to User and Device, User, User Groups, and create a new group for guests to access the internet. Set Type to Guest, set User ID to Email, and ensure the password is set to auto-generate. Set the password to expire after first login with a default expiry time of 4 hours. Next, go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Wi-Fi Network, SSID, and create a guest SSID that uses Captive Portal. Set traffic mode to Tunnel to Wireless Controller. Assign an IP network mask to the interface and to the DHCP server. Set security mode to Captive Portal and user groups to the Wi-Fi guest user group. Go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Wi-Fi Network, FortiAP Profiles, and edit the profile for your FortiAP model. In the example FortiAP 11C, set the FortiAP to broadcast the new SSID. Go to Policy and Objects, Policy, IPv4, and create a new policy for guest users to connect to the internet. Set incoming interface to the guest SSID, source user to the Wi-Fi guest user group. Set the outgoing interface to the internet-facing interface. Set service to HTTP, HTTPS, and DNS. Go to User and Device, User, Guest Management, and create a new account. Enter the user's email address, and for testing purposes, set the account to expire in 5 minutes. The temporary account is automatically deleted after this time period. After you select OK, a User Created Successfully notice will appear that lists the generated password. You can then print or email the password to the guest user. Go to System, Admin, Administrators, if you would like to create an admin account to manage guest users. Create a new account for an administrator. Set type to regular and set a password. Select Restrict Provision Guest Accounts and set guest groups to the Wi-Fi guest user group. Now sign into the Fortigate using your new admin account. As you can see, you will only be able to see the menu for the guest user management. On a computer, connect to the guest SSID. When the authentication screen appears, log in using the guest user's credentials. You can now successfully connect to the internet. 5 minutes after the initial login, the temporary user account will expire, and you will no longer be able to log in using those credentials. You can also verify your results by looking at the Guest Management section. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can access Fortinet's documentation library at docs.fortinet.com.